Hi guys, so for our virtual manipulative, we chose a website that would help with transformations, but specifically reflections. When you come to the website, you'll notice that an example is already popped up, so I'm going to go ahead and clear that over here. Next, notice this little box that you can check or uncheck. It stands for if you want to hide or show axis lines. So I'm going to go ahead and show those. Next, if you notice this black line, this is your line of reflection. You can drag it, you can rotate it, you can do whatever you'd like with it. Next, notice the shapes on the side. These are the shapes that you can add to your diagram. So I'm going to go ahead and click one. When you see it pop up, you'll notice two shapes. The shape with the black outline is the shape that you can manipulate. You can also change the color of the shape by coming down here to the color options. If you click on the shape, you can drag it wherever you'd like, and you can make it come closer or farther away from the line of reflection. Notice that there's a thin dotted line that connects the two shapes. This is to show that the shapes are parallel to one another. One disadvantage of this is that it doesn't show the parallel line from corresponding points on the shape. It shows it from the midpoint of the shape, which can be confusing. Next, if you scroll over the shape with the dotted outline, you'll notice a little black dot that'll appear. This is to rotate the shape that you have. The next thing that you can do is you can add another shape. So just come back to your shapes and click one. Then I'm going to drag it down and line it up with the other shape that I already have. Then if you drag a little box around the two shapes, you'll notice that the shapes then become one shape. However, you have to be careful about doing this because once you merge them together, you can't unmerge them. So if you want to get rid of one shape, you have to delete the entire shape. That's pretty much all there is to this virtual manipulative. It's a kind of cool website that lets you visualize and plot shapes. However, the main disadvantage that I found with it is that you can't enlarge or shrink the shape, which makes it hard to kind of plot it accordingly. So you can move it and you can rotate the shapes, but you can't actually make them bigger or smaller. Other than that, it's a pretty handy website. There are instructions on the side if you need help or can't remember how to play with it. I hope you liked it. Thanks.